Hey there, this is Gerald with the Rise of the 1%. I want to welcome you to this training where I'm going to share with you 5 ways to get high value clients organically. So let's go on and dive in. So here's the 5 organic strategies to get clients that we're going to go over in this training. I'm going to be training you on how to leverage organic Facebook posts to get clients. I'm going to be training you on how to use direct outreach, how to leverage Facebook groups to get clients, how to use list forming to get clients, and how to use JV webinars, which are joint venture webinars, to get clients as well. So let's talk about organic Facebook. So with organic Facebook, you want to use your own personal Facebook profile to friend potential clients and post about your success and your client success daily. While this doesn't sound that great, it's actually one of my best performing go-to strategies, and it's completely free. You want to start by cleaning up your personal profile. Say what you do, clean up pictures and posts. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go over to my Facebook profile. So over here on my Facebook profile, you'll see on my background cover photo is actually a background cover photo of me speaking at one of my events. Now in my space, speaking in front of rooms does represent credibility and authority. If you're in the industry where that wouldn't necessarily represent credibility and authority, don't worry about doing that. But if you are in the industry where that would represent credibility and authority, and you have pictures of you speaking at any events, anything like that, you can use that as well on your background cover photo on your personal page. Okay. Or if that doesn't necessarily represent credibility and authority in your space, or you don't have pictures of you doing that, if it does represent credibility and authority, you can do what I did on my business page, which is I'm going to go over to now. So you see here, I had this banner made up. I actually had someone on Fiverr create it. Okay, Fiverr, Fiverr.com. All right, you can get this type of stuff made for $5, $10, or what have you. All right, so what you will see up here on my banner, I have over the past 5 years, I've been advising Black entrepreneurs how to pack their calendars and scale their coaching, consulting, info, product, and high-ticket service-based business to multiple 6 figures online. All right, and he says join the group. I'll get into that later on. But basically what you can do is you can have a banner created on Fiverr, or if you are good at graphic design yourself, you can use Canva, Canva.com, and you can create your own banner and background cover photo. Or like I said, you can leverage Fiverr, right, and get one of these made. But what you will want to have on the background cover photo pretty much is a statement of who you're serving and how you're serving them. You can have company logo up here, like mine, and then a picture of yourself smiling, as you can see I have here. Okay, you can put this on your personal page and your business page. All right. So I'm going to go back over to my personal page. So you'll see up here as well, I have a nice profile photo of myself, not of a dog, a cat, kids, any of that stuff. I wouldn't recommend putting that up here. Okay, I don't have kids anyway at this time, but I wouldn't recommend putting that type of stuff up here. You want a professional picture of yourself, okay, up here, smiling. All right. And then right here in the bio section, you'll see why I have advising Black coaches, consultants, course creators, service providers to scale to 20 to 50,000 a month. So here in your bio section, you want to have who you're serving and how you're serving them. All right, you want to have a statement there. Then you'll see I have owner at my business page here, self-employed, creator and founder at a company here, worked in entrepreneurship, a little bit on my educational background, and where I reside and where I'm from. So these are the things that you want over here on your personal page. Okay. So I would recommend having a pre-selling mechanism and a funnel set up as well, which that should be set up already at the time of you coming to this training video. And you want to start by posting daily what you do and your client's success. Okay. Now, what I would recommend in terms of you posting is I would recommend definitely posting things on what you do. You also want to as well leverage the 4 E's of social media marketing. So you can write these down. The first E is you want to post enlightening content, which is inspirational type content. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my page here and I'm going to go to one of my posts that were considered a inspirational post. So this here, I wrote this up, which was an inspirational post and then a lightning post. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I mean, you can come over here to my personal page and check it out so you can see what I'm talking about. You'll see the photo I used there, high quality picture. Right? So I would definitely recommend you post those type of posts, like enlightening content. And you can see I'm not even selling anything in a post. It's just inspirational. And then down here is the second E of social media marketing, which is educational content, that's what I did here. I was educated. You can come over and check it out on my personal page so you can see what I'm talking about. Same thing here. I'm not giving any call to action to do anything. I'm just providing value. Right? Nice photo there, high quality. As you can come over and check it out. And then the third E is entertaining. So you can have a sense of humor on social media. You don't want to be a comedian, but you can have a sense of humor and a personality. And also with entertaining is showing lifestyle. So that's even me there just saying happy Thanksgiving to you and yours with a nice view there. Right? And then the last E, I'm not going to actually show an example on here because I have to go through like some of my older posts. But what I will say is it's engaging content. Right? Engaging content. So you can ask questions to your audience. Like for instance, if you're in the travel industry, you may say, I'm looking to travel over the next 30 days. Should I go to the Dominican Republic or should I go to Spain? And get people basically commenting on your posts. Okay. So engaging is definitely great. And also posting what you do. So you can see here, of course, I did this post because we just did our event at the time of me shooting this video. We just did our event here in Atlanta. So this is a post basically talking about what we do. Right? Showing this type of stuff. It's always great. And then even with showing client success, you definitely want to post those. Results. You solving clients' problems and stuff like that. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, here we go, right here. So you can see this is actually me sharing client success. You can come over here and see how I wrote up the post and everything. Okay, put this video up. We're always sharing client successes. So that's what you want to do as well. This type of stuff you want to have on your page. So you want your page to be professional. Don't have unprofessional stuff on your page because you are running a business. All right. So when people book a call with you, you friend them on Facebook. And this is primarily going to be like later on when you're generating strategy sessions, let's say from ads, later on down the line, then yeah, you will go over and you'll also friend them on Facebook. So let's talk about direct outreach. So when you see somebody who is a good fit, good for what you do, you don't wait till they see your marketing. That's stupid. You want to friend them on Facebook and then send them a direct message or send them an email. Okay. So what I'm going to do at this point here is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to bring up a framework for actually connecting with people online. And this will be actually attached below this video. So as you can see here, it says it's a non-intent script, cold outreach to friends, plus Facebook group. We'll get into the Facebook group stuff later. Okay, so these scripts are used for cold DMs to personal Facebook friends who've been added from OPT, which is other people's traffic, such as Facebook groups online, where your ideal clients be hanging out at. So you want to find Facebook groups online where your ideal clients are hanging out at. You want to join those groups. Okay, because these scripts are going to be used for what we call cold direct messages to those who actually accept your friend requests, and be able to have conversations with them to convert them into a discovery and a strategy session call. So what you want to do is go into private Facebook groups where your ideal clients may be hanging out at. You don't want to go in there like spamming your products and services in there. You want to add value to the group if you can, or, you know, comment and engage on different people's posts in there, but not just going in there to promote. And those in the group as well, who look like they could be ideal clients of yours, you want to shoot them a friend request. As long as they have mutual friends with you, shoot them a friend request. All right. And when you shoot them a friend request, then what you want to do is you want to go over on their page and just engage on some of their posts. Okay. That's what you want to do. All right. Now, every day you want to go into your friends list on who recently accepted your request and message them. We want to see, are they actually a good fit? Right? We want to create dissonance between where they're at and where they want to be, bridging the gap. We want to be creating urgency and bringing awareness that there is a problem. We want to be positioning ourselves as authority in delivering the transformation. And we want to lock in a day and time. So here's the messenger script variation number 1, cold outreach to friends. So message 1, you want to open with the reason why you're reaching out. Okay. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be editing this messenger script for your particular business in your market. All right. So how you open up, hey, whatever their first name is, I saw we're both in whatever group that you actually connected with them in. How's things in their city and location? All right. You want to send that message off. Once they respond, okay, we'll pretty much let you know how things are going. They may ask you how things are going with you as well. Then you can say, awesome, things are going great. I saw in your profile, you can insert what they are here. All right. Are you currently doing X? So basically you say, awesome, things are going great. I saw in your profile, you are whatever their profession is. Right? You plug it in there. Okay. Are you currently doing whatever type of work that this particular person would do in their profession? You can plug in here. All right. So as you can see here, I have awesome. Things are going great. I saw on your profile, you are a coach. Are you currently offering any courses at this time? Anything like that, right? That's something I plug in there at times. Okay. And you send this message off. And you want to create some back and forth small talk. This will set the stage for more specific questions. They may also ask you, how about you? Segueing beautifully into your value statement.